Hello programmer, welcome to Decoder Solution. From today we are just going to start JavaScript series. In this series you will learn JavaScript entire course in free of course, and in this video we will learn what is JavaScript and what is difference between Java and JavaScript and why we use JavaScript and why should we learn JavaScript. So this all in this video. So first of all, I want to tell you if you are beginner and if you don't have any knowledge in coding background, so don't worry. I will teach you from zero to hero. And if you have some basic knowledges like HTML, CSS, so it will be good for you. Otherwise, you can learn that all languages parallelly. So HTML and CSS and JavaScript. So JavaScript basically work on HTML and CSS. So you should have knowledge of HTML and CSS. But if you don't have knowledge in HTML and CSS, so you can learn in parallelly in any of the courses from the YouTube or any library. So if you want a separate series in that HTML or CSS, so don't worry, I will make a series on HTML and CSS also. So this series will be till 1 month take to completion for the series. So let's start. What is JavaScript? So JavaScript basically as a scripting language which is used for dynamic website content. Like in HTML and CSS, we can write any of the code in static. So in the data, if you want to make a dynamic, so we need JavaScript. Uh, yeah. So JavaScript basically work on HTML and CSS, and currently in the market JavaScript is booming in the market. So you should if you want to be a front-end developer or web development or any of the programming language you want, so everywhere you will you have JavaScript will be useful for you. So JavaScript should be used, should be learned to everyone from my end, and this is recommendation to all. So let's start in JavaScript. So in we will learn uh, data types. First of all, we learn data types in JavaScript. Then we will learn operators in JavaScript. So let's start. I'm just going to start my VS Code. Yeah. So I'm just going to create a folder. Uh, okay, let's open the folder. I have already created a folder in, I think, H drive. No, okay, F drive. Yes, in YouTube and JavaScript. Yeah, I have just opened a JavaScript folder in from my, yes, authorized. Okay, okay. So this is my folder. In this is my basically workspace where I will create one by one file, and I will uh, teach you how we can perform and how we will run the programming. So let's create a new file. First of all, I have to create one HTML file, and then one CSS file, and then one JavaScript file. So I'm just going to create index.html file. Okay. So yeah, this is done, and now I'm just going to create style.css file. Then I'm just going to create new file as JavaScript main.js. Okay, I have created three file which is all are empty. Currently I haven't mentioned both. All three are individuals, and in totally they are not connected internally. So we'll connect one by one file and how it's work we'll see. Let create it. text file in HTML. So we'll just copy the code and we'll paste. Also, I'm just going to use ChatGPT to teach you, because from my recommendation, now ChatGPT is the best to learn anything of the advanced technology which are AI tool. So ChatGPT is a AI tool and we can learn everything from in short time and short way. So this is from my recommendation. You can use ChatGPT to learn JavaScript very quickly and very fast. So I'm just going to paste the code so I don't have to write the code. So it will uh, it will help to us write a code in short way, and our time will be saved. So let's start. Yeah, so this is title, if you have knowledge, and this is the button inside. This is the JavaScript code. Okay, just we are just going to run HTML file, and you can see I haven't write any code in main.js and style.css. I just write it in html index.html. Okay, so I'm just going to right click, open with live server. So you can see here click me button is came because we have written here button on click and which name is click me. Okay, so while I click here, then one pop-up will become hello world. Or if I can write here programmer, then you can see here it will be programmer. Now while I click me, then hello programmer will come. Okay, so JavaScript basically we can write in multiple format. So JavaScript, like uh, as it is CSS file, it works JavaScript. If we are mapping CSS file in index.html, so we can write here a separate column like here script. So this will work as a JavaScript, and same as us, we can write here also. I'm just click comment here, then you can say while I reload the program, then it will create a hello programmer, and I can write this same path in a inside head or title also. It will work same as it is. You can see here while I reload, it is came hello programmer pop-up. Same as I can write this after body also, but inside HTML tag is mandatory, you can see. And also I can write this code in separate my file also, like main.js also. so, so don't need to write here separate, just I have to write here. You can see now no pop-up is coming because I haven't mapped my main.js file in index.html. So I have to map. I have to provide mapping main.js file in the index.html file. So how we can provide this? By using let's me see how we can provide mapping. So yeah, how to provide JavaScript main dot js file mapping in html index.html. So it will help to provide a path how you can provide mapping.